Hey, what's up all you Taboholics? This is Paul here, aka Paulabusa, back with another video where we do yet another product review from Taobao every single week. So if you're new here, please do consider subscribing. So guys, me and the missus will be traveling to Hokkaido in January, and that's the title. It is really cold there and the weather is gonna be 0 and below. So we are in the hunt for winter clothes, and in the hot and humid weather here in Singapore, we are not gonna wear it very often. I went to North Face and it's like $600, $700 for a jacket. I go to Uniqlo, it cost me like $200 for a jacket. So it's not gonna be really worth it because I am not gonna wear it very often. And with that in mind, we went to Taobao to cut a lot of winter items. And today I am going to do a mass unboxing of what we've bought and share with you the good and the bad stuff. And if you're interested in that, just stay tuned. So here it is, the very first item. And we've got here a beanie with a smiley face in the front. It's all squishy and flurry inside to keep you warm. The inside of the beanie is made of fluffy fur kind of material. So apparently this is the thicker winter version and it only costs about $3. $3 only for this beanie. Really worth buy. This is a really good buy, so I'm gonna try it on right now. There it is. This is how it looks like. Not too bad, I think. I don't know how I look. In fact, I think this is really good because I'm feeling a little bit of warmth on my head already. Yeah, just $3. And the very next item, nicely packed in a Ziploc bag. Brand appears to be Coffin. Yeah. It's really bad luck. Coffin, yeah. And inside there is a strap. So this is a pair of thick winter pants. It is very thick, and the inside of the pants is also made of the fur-like material that we see in the beanie. It's supposed to keep you really warm. It's quite thick, and the exterior appears to be waterproof with sort of like a latexy material. And this particular pants, you can wear it external. If you're gonna brave the cold, this is a good pair of pants to have. And this only cost me about $20. If you're gonna get it here in Singapore at some winter specialist shop, it's gonna probably cost you at least $60. And now you're gonna get this Coffin pants for just $20. So I'm gonna try it on. There you have it, guys. This is the winter pants. It is really fitting, and definitely I already feel warm wearing this right now. It is thick and it is really good. I highly recommend this. Just by first look, it actually feels comfortable and warm. There are zippers at the pockets, so you can actually protect your stuff from falling out. Because this pants is waterproof as well, so you can protect your stuff from the icy snow, and you know, when snow touches your body, it becomes water, right? So this is waterproof, and it only costs $20. Not too bad a fit, if I might add. Even the back pocket is zippable, so really good pair of pants. This strap is actually a belt, so really you can buy one size bigger, you know, just in case you grow fat. They gave you a belt for the pants itself. And there you have it, guys, the Coffin pants. Alright, next item. So I think these are long johns. I bought 2 of them. They are pretty thick. Again, inside is the flurry kind of a material to keep you warm inside. So 2 pairs of long johns. They're quite thick, as from what I can see right now. So this pair of long johns actually only cost about $20, but the seller has a promo that gives you 1 for 1. So you buy one set, you get another set for free, which means one set of long john only costs you about 10 Singapore dollars, and you not only get the top, you also get the bottom. So top and bottom, one set $10. If you go to Uniqlo and buy the heat tech, the ultra heat tech, it will cost you $30 for the top and $30 for the bottom, and one set would cost you $60. And this set is only $10. Gonna try it on. The long johns, they are quite stretchable. It's quite fitting. I really feel warm inside already. And a quick note, guys, because of the innerwear that you're wearing inside, it's always good to buy a bigger size for your outerwear. Like the pants that I showed you earlier, always buy one size bigger so you can account for all the other layers you're wearing inside. There is always the belt that they give you to fasten the waist is it's too big. So always get one size bigger. I'm gonna take this off, it's really warm, so yeah. Right, finally more comfortable. Let's move on to the next item. And I believe here we've got here a Korean style female external sweater. You're supposed to wear your external jacket over this sweater, but this is bought by the missus. I'm not gonna try it on, but material is pretty thick. This costs about $13, and yes, this is a female style external sweaters. I'm not gonna try this on, yeah, but for the sake of the female viewers, I will insert a picture of how it looks like here. And let's move on to the next item. And here it is, nicely packed. We've got earmuffs. Again, this is made from the fluffy material that I showed you earlier. A lot of these items are made of this kind of material to keep you warm, and of course to protect your ears from the extreme temperatures. You need to buy one of these and cover your ears like this. You look like ET, but trust me, I would rather look like ET than freeze to death in the cold. I am very afraid of the cold, and this is gonna protect your ears. And of course, this is the thicker version. There are two versions, so remember to get the thicker version, and it only costs about $3. Yes, $3 for a pair of earmuffs. Where can you find them? On Taobao. And that's how it looks like. This is plain black. And there are many different designs on the site itself, so do check them out. We just stick to plain black, and that is much more easier. Two of them, one for the missus and one for myself. So what these are, they are really disposable underwear, and yeah, what these are is convenient. If you don't want to come back from your trip washing a ton of clothes, yes, this is the way to go. So I would imagine the material would be something like those shoe bag. It's disposable, that kind of material. You know what I mean? I mean, check it out. The material is not some form of disposable plastic. It is actually fabric. I'm surprised they use fabric for disposable underwear, but yeah, this is a good buy. For a pack of 10, it will cost you like $7. $7 for 10 is really worth it. It saves you the trouble of washing all of them when you come back. So the socks is made from wool. Wool is from lamb, which is what is mentioned here, and they're supposed to keep you warm under extreme temperatures, and that's why we bought a few pairs of them for this upcoming trip. We've got the greenish blue, we've got the black, we've got the grey, and this three is only $10. So always get a few pairs for your winter trip if you're going somewhere cold, and 3 pairs only cost you $10. So a pair is only $3.33. Very worth it. Now that is a lot of stuff. So we're gonna go for a little break, and we're gonna come back next week for part 2. So remember to stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one.